Okay, benefits of employee presented by James. Benefits of employees. Objective of the topic. Know what is benefits of employees. Explain what is the 8 benefits of employees. What is benefit? Employees Employee benefits are form of payment that employers give to their staff in addition to their normal pay or income. Ito po yung benefits na binibigay ng isang kumpanya. Okay, next. Ito po ang 8 employees benefits. Number 1, paid vacation is a block of time that employees to use without pay leave. Ito po ang ginagamit ng isang empleyado nagtatrabaho sa isang kumpanya na regular. Dito ay kahit ikaw ay pumasok, ikaw ay bayad. Basta ikaw ay mag-fill up ng vacation leave or paid vacation. Next. Meal breaks. Meal breaks is an unpaid period of not less than 30 minutes and not more than 45 minutes as determined by the employer. Ito po ang karaniwan sa bilang pag ikaw ay nagtatrabaho, may break time na bawal, minsan ay 30 minutes, minsan isang oras. At pag ikaw naman ay lumagpas sa tinakdang oras, doon mo ibabawas ang sahod mo. Minsan Social security. Social security is the protection that society provides to individuals and households which have access to healthcare to guarantee income security, particularly in case of the old age, unemployment, sickness, invalidity, work injury, maternity, or loss of livelihood. Ito po ang pagkakaalam ko. Ito po ang tulad ng mga health insurance, mga SS, o isang maternity leave kapag ikaw ay may sakit. Ganun pa din, basta pag ikaw ay isang regular, ito ay bayad. Next. Perk and bonuses. This benefit or advantage of perk is enhancement that come job, and bonuses are financial reward that is given to an employee beyond their normal salary wage. Kung bibigyan ng bonus or Pasko, and yun, pag isa ang regular na sa isang kumpanya, mataas yung sahod. Pay rise is an increase in salary or salary of employer. Pagtaas ng sahod lalo na pag ikaw ay madagdag ang salary mo, lalo pag ito ay maganda ang performance. Next. Achievement awards, an item, tangible personal property that an employee or length or service or safety achievement. Ito po ang minsan ginagawa kapag may mga perfect attendance, masipag ka, may mga award reward na pera, minsan award dito po yun. And next, employee allowance. A benefit allowance is money that a company or government agency provide to an employee for a specific purpose. Binigyan ng food allowance, transport allowance, at any kind of allowance binibigay po ito sa kumpanya na kapag maraming kumpanya or company nakasukan mo, ay ng isang magandang binibigay ng isang kumpanya. Next, health insurance is an agreement in which an insurance company agrees to pay for some all of your medical expenses in exchange for monthly payment. Best example nito ay tulad sa call center, may HMO na ikaw ay total may discount or minsan wala ka nang babayaran. Yun po. And last, wala na pala. Conclusion. In conclusion of this report is about kind of benefits to employees and also all about benefits. Commit and lastly, commit to the Lord. Whatever you do and your plans will be succeed. Proverbs 16:3. And that's all. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am, and God bless.